You can wear the most expensive clothes, build the best body at the gym, and even learn to speak perfect English. But if this one thing is weak, the person in front of you will never respect you. Never. I'm talking about your eyes. Psychology says that when you meet someone for the first time, they take only 3 seconds to decide your worth, your social value. And if in those 3 seconds you look down or avoid eye contact, you've already sent a signal that you're a follower, not a leader. Today, I'm going to show you 5 levels of eye contact that 99% of people don't even know exist. By the time you reach level 5, you'll learn how to control someone's mind without saying a single word. Watch this video till the end, because level 5 is your psychological weapon. If I look into your eyes right now for 3 seconds without blinking, would you feel uncomfortable? Or would you feel the urge to look down or check your phone? That pressure you feel is called social tension. And listen carefully. Most problems in your life, whether it's impressing someone, cracking an interview, or earning respect among friends, exist because you can't handle this tension. People read your eyes before they listen to your words. If you have a habit of avoiding eye contact, the world automatically labels you as weak. This is the mistake 99% of people make, and they don't even realize it. We're not robots. We can't stare into someone's eyes forever. Eye contact has to be broken, but how you break it is everything. Whenever you want to break eye contact, never look down. Never. A high-value man never bows. If you need to look away, look to the right, to the left, or slightly upward, but never downward. When you look to the side, it feels like you're processing information. It signals intelligence and confidence. Now let's talk about charisma. Some people are incredibly magnetic. When they talk to you, they make you feel like the most important person in the room. This isn't magic, it's a technique. It's called sticky eyes. Most people break eye contact immediately when a conversation ends because they want to escape the tension. You have to do the opposite. Imagine your eyes are made of honey, slightly sticky. When the conversation ends or the other person turns away, hold eye contact for 1 extra second, then slowly and smoothly let it go. This creates 2 effects in the other person's subconscious. First, they feel that you're genuinely interested in them. Second, they feel important. People like those who make them feel special. That extra second transfers both confidence and warmth. But be careful, only 1 extra second. If you stare for 5 seconds, you won't look confident. You'll look creepy. There's a very thin line here, so practice it. Now comes the part everyone waits for, attraction. If you're on a date or talking to someone you like, don't stare directly into their eyes non-stop. It feels like an interrogation. You need to create tension, but not fear. For that, use the triangle method. Imagine a triangle on their face, moving from one eye to the other and down to the lips. Look at the left eye for 1 to 2 seconds. Shift to the right eye for 1 to 2 seconds. Then briefly look at the lips for 1 to 2 seconds before returning to the eyes. Never hold any gaze for more than 2 seconds. And never use this method in business meetings or with friends. Use it only where attraction is involved. Now we reach level 5, the anchor. Life isn't always soft. Sometimes it turns into a battlefield. There will be moments when someone tries to dominate you, disrespect you, or intimidate you. In such situations, attraction techniques will make you look weak. This is where the anchor comes in. When people feel nervous, their eyes constantly shift. This signals instability. To stop this, choose one eye of the other person, preferably the left, and lock your gaze there. Don't shift. Don't blink excessively. Don't change your facial expression. Just stay calm and still. This stillness is disturbing for the other person. They start questioning why you aren't reacting or showing fear. The power dynamic shifts. Eventually, they'll be the first to look away. And in psychology, The person who breaks eye contact first loses power. Don't use this technique casually. It's meant for serious situations where someone is trying to break you. Here's a final bonus that most people ignore. Many people learn to hold eye contact but still look scared or unstable because their eyes are too wide open. Wide eyes signal fear. This is known as the deer in headlights look. What you need instead are hunter eyes. Look at a lion. Its eyes are calm, controlled, and relaxed. Keep your upper eyelids relaxed and slightly raise your lower eyelids. Your eyes should look observant, not shocked. That's the difference between confidence and fear. If you found this useful, make sure to subscribe for more psychology-based content like this.